Hey guys, Tim with the Tesla channel, and we're in Sanibel Island with the Cybertruck. It's beautiful here. Definitely a lot of devastation from the hurricane coming over the bridge. We planned on filming on the bridge itself, but the bridge is actually still under construction, which makes sense. It got devastated, but so I just wanted to give you guys a little peek in what we're doing. Sanibel Island right now, doing some filming, some drone shots with the Cybertruck. And we happened to get lucky, and this is a private area, private beach area. We were able to get the truck here with permission and get some really good photos. So we'll see you guys soon. Hopefully the next video drops, full video, not a short, very, very soon. See you guys. We were doing some footage out in Sanibel Island. There's Zach, mobile office, hanging out, plugged in. Jake's back there, mobile office, plugged in. So our next purchase is going to be a Starlink Mini. So when we're out and about doing these little excursions, these guys never get disconnected from the internet. So because cellular is kind of like hit or miss. So we're all plugged in, or waiting here in traffic, editing and getting some work done. What do you got to say, Zach?
It's pretty sweet. A lot of room in here.
Oh yeah. How about you, Jake?
It's nice.
Okay, look at him. Plug right in. All right, we'll see you guys in the next video. Enjoy.